Now we're going to learn about highlighting. When you highlight something, you're selecting it. And you can highlight a lot of things, such as text, or pictures, or even icons on your desktop. And once you highlight something, you can do different things to it, like copy and paste, or delete, or change font, or other things. I'm going to show you a couple different examples. The first example will be in a Word document. So the first thing I'm going to do is place my insertion point at the beginning of the text I want to highlight by left-clicking once. Now I'm going to left-click and hold, and I'm going to move my cursor to the end of the selection I want to highlight. Then I'm going to release my left mouse button, and you'll see that I highlighted a sentence. Now that it's highlighted, I can do a couple things. I want to take this sentence and move it. So I'm going to go up to my toolbar and choose the little scissors icon, which is cut. I'm going to left click once on that, and you'll see my sentence disappeared. And now I'm going to place my insertion point to where I want the sentence to be located. And I'm going to go up and left click once on paste. And now that entire sentence has moved. Now I'm going to highlight the entire document. So I'll place my insertion point at the very beginning of the text and left click and hold, and then drag my cursor all the way to the bottom of the document until everything is highlighted, and I'll release my left mouse button. And now I can do things like change the font or the spacing. To deselect something, just left-click once anywhere in the document. You can also highlight things from websites. And the same principle applies. Left-click and hold at the beginning of the section you want to highlight. And once your cursor is at the end of the selection you want to highlight, release your left mouse button. Now if I want to do something with this selection, I can also click once with my right mouse button, and a menu will appear, and I can choose to copy it, or search Google for that statement, or a couple other different options. I'm going to copy it by left-clicking once on it, and then I can paste it somewhere else if I want to. So remember, anytime you want to select something or highlight it, left-click and hold at the beginning of the selection, drag your pointer to the end of the selection, and release the left mouse button.